Hi guys, welcome back to my cocktail vlog. Today it's gonna be pretty tough. The drink I'm about to prepare can be quite dangerous if you have more than one. Yes, it is Long Island iced tea. It's very strong. It's a monster. It's a beast in terms of alcohol. I've just calculated. It contains 77% of alcohol. And we're not talking about wine or any low percentage liqueurs. Before we start, I want to share with you how I spent more than 3 hours making this beautiful YouTube logo. I still need a few more subscribers and then the guys from YouTube will send me their silver play button. I think it's for 10K. So I believe you've just subscribed to my channel if you are new here. Thank you so much for your support. I really appreciate it. And don't forget, with my channel you will never stay thirsty, believe me. Long Island iced tea looks like iced tea, however it's slightly different and it contains no tea. For Long Island we need 5 different white spirits. Tequila silver, triple sec, vodka, gin and white rum. The ratio of spirits here is very simple, equal part of each one. In my recipe I'm gonna use a 30 ml or 1 ounce shot. Yes, you're right. That's exactly 150 milliliters of alcohol in one single drink. You don't have to use a full shot of each spirit, of course. It's really up to you. I have a big highball glass, so this drink can be shared by 2 or even more people. You can either pour all the ingredients straight into your glass or you can use a shaker. But don't forget that Coke must stay in a can until the very end. Don't try to shake a cocktail with Coke or any sparkling water. I prefer using a shaker when I prepare cocktails, so let's pour everything into the shaker. Unfortunately, I have only 4 jiggers, so the last spirit goes straight from a bottle. And now the non-alcoholic part of this drink. We will need lemon juice, 15 milliliters or half an ounce. Then Coke, of course, and optionally you can use simple syrup, but for me Coke is sweet enough, so I'm not gonna use it. Fill a highball glass with beautiful crystal clear ice. If you want to make it at home, there is my video tutorial somewhere here. That's perfect, so now let's add a splash of Coke. And for garnish, use a simple lime wedge and a metal straw, of course. So this is Long Island iced tea. It's not bad at all, considering how much alcohol there is and what a deadly combinations of spirits we used. Fresh lemon juice and Coke definitely saved it. Let's be honest, this is not the most delicious cocktail. You drink it when you want to get into a party mood. If you want to prepare a serious, tasty cocktail, go watch this video. Don't forget to subscribe here. And I'm already looking forward to seeing you next time.